How to promote CPA offers on Twitter. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can promote CPA offers on Twitter. Promoting CPA offers on Twitter can be an effective way to generate free traffic and conversion. Before uploading about any CPA offer, make sure that you choose the right CPA offer. Ensure that your offer aligns with your niche and target demographic. Go to your profile on the Twitter app. Make sure you are using a professional and niche-specific profile picture and banner. Also, don't forget to add a compelling bio with a link to your landing page. Along with this, make sure to also create content that resonates with the CPA offer. Post different photos and videos about CPA offers so that your audience knows. If any of your audience is interested on the CPA offer, then they can directly message you or go to the CPA offer directly. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.